Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show here about help you on a lot of things that it should be really absolutely helpful through use community components. And this is gonna be about to help you through the ways that we can actually see if it's ready to be satisfied with for important progress that is still to be really satisfied with important ways that it should be really helping you a lot of things. So what is gonna be on about it should be first of all there's gonna be really a lot of things to know about when it's absolutely available for everyone who wants to start to have a certain thing about to have a certain variables or certain thing on the community components. You can see over here community components can be actually used. You can actually go to the plugin and components. You can actually use the handy components app or any kind of plugin or widget that you would like to use. So that's gonna be like to have this kind of usage in a certain way that is still be about to know whether we would like to start to see if the Figma plugin can absolutely have a search and availability to use it or not. The bottom sites are really have a premium, so you can actually use only those if they are ready. Also you can see many another plugins that it is still about to have this way.